In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to snipe newly launched memecoin on Dexscreener. Main reason why I like newly launched memecoins because if I can catch a memecoin at like 100k market cap and that memecoin goes to like 1 million market cap, I'll make more than 10x on that particular memecoin. So this is Dexscreener. What I'll be doing is very simple. I'll simply just go to a new page, right? Click on new page and I'm going to pick up all the coins that was created recently, that is in the last 24 hours. So I'm going to put it in the last 1 hour. I'm going to see coins that was created in the last 1 hour. So I'm going to click on this so that it's going to show me coins that has profile. Which means that those coins that has paid this screen and their to show their details you get. So I'm going to just go through and look for the one with small market cap and I can simply check them, and if I like this particular coins, I can buy them if I'm interested in this particular coin. So the major thing I'm looking at is actually market cap and volume get, because I don't want to trade a coin without volume. So these particular ones that it brought up for me, not seeing any good ones, right? Aside this particular one, and the volume is just $24, which is very bad. This particular one, I'm not seeing anyone. So I'm going to check this profile again. Let's see if it's going to pick up coins for me. I need volume because volume actually is very important. I need volume and I need low market cap. So I just think the best thing I would do right now is simply um use filter. I'm going to use filter. Click on filters. Click on all platform. I'm going to click on Solana because I'm trading on Solana meme coin. Then I'm going to click on, okay, let me just leave these others. I'm going to click on apply. So if I do this, let's say the coin that I bought out from me, I'm just checking to see if I can see any good one that I can buy get. So I want the ones that has volume, very important. So I just click on this volume button. It'll give me the coins that has large volumes. Any coin that has large volumes means that people are interested in this particular coins you get. So the volume in the last 1 hour, I'm going to open up few of them, these particular ones up, and check them. So I'm going to click on this that has profile. One coin that has profile, very important you get. So I'm just trying to see any good one that I can buy. Let's open up this in a new tab. And guys, let's open up this Mark Zuckerberg in a new tab. Basically, guys, these are I actually trade meme coin and don't do any any difficult thing. What I do is simply come, check and see if I can see any good ones. I would open them up. You get, so you can see this particular liquidity is less than $1. This is very bad. I just check the ones that I feel that they are good. I open them up, and if I like them, I trade them very easy. So I've opened up a few of them. I need to do is simply go to the chart and check them. So it's showing me that liquidity is locked. 45k liquidity, 55k dollars. Liquidity is locked. Market cap over 151k. So I can confirm this by simply copying the wallet address and go over Telegram and use TTL boot. But if you're watching my video, you know what TTL boot is. So the most important thing is for me to check Twitter to see if it is actually trending on Twitter. There are people talking about it on Twitter. So I'm going to continue on Twitter. I'll allow it to load. But before then, the other things I want to check get. It was created about 36 minutes ago, and I think this might be a good coin. I don't know. So I'm going to tap on this funnel icon. I'm going to put $100. I'm going to tap on apply. I'm going to see if the people putting large small amount of money into this particular coin get. If this particular token is going to do well, it depends on if people are putting money on the coin and if the coin is trending on S get. So they have a Telegram, a Twitter group that has just 27 members. So this is actually a very new cash. It has potential of doing well, but I don't know if it gets. So the thing is that as long as I caught the coin early, it might do well again. But it depends on the dev you get. If the dev promote the coin, people are interested in. That's what is going to determine if the coin is going to do really very well you get. So and this is actually pretty much new one. It's a new token, just like I've said. So new token is very good. This if I buy it now, this might be the if I buy this particular coin now and it gets to maybe normally market cap is like 10x. So this is actually a good coin I might consider buying if I want to buy it. So that's just it. It's very easy. So let's check the other one that I opened. It's also a pretty much new coin too, 22 minutes ago. And you can also check this particular house website, Twitter and Telegram, which is very good. Liquidity is locked. I prefer this particular one because this particular one, the liquidity is 45k liquidity, 45,000 liquidity. And this particular one, liquid market cap is just 151k. But this one, liquidity is just 3k. Let's just say approximately 4k dollars, which is not good per se, but still okay. But I prefer this particular. If I will be buying anyone, it will be this particular one. So let's check this other one. This particular one is a no-no for me because liquidity is 38k and it is not locked, which means that if you buy this particular one, you can get scam. You get when you do is simply wait and see if liquidity is low. Liquidity is locked, then you can consider buying it. If liquidity is not locked, just do what run away from this particular one. So the chart, I don't know, the chart is not looking really nice, but the chart is looking okay. But I won't buy this particular one because the chart is not looking right. You can see the way the chart is like it's going up. The chart is just going up. This 1 second to get. So a good chart will up, down, up, down, up, down, not up like this. If I click on this particular one, I put it on 1 second, you see what I'm talking about. You can see this particular chart, right? Let me take this down. You can see this particular chart. There, it went up and went down. Like I can see, went up and went down. This means that these are people that are generally interested in people. They are like buying and selling the coin. Get not the dev trying to pump it. But for this particular one, you can say it was the dev trying to pump this particular token because just go up, just fish short, just go up. So and liquidity is not low. Which means that if you buy this particular token, right, at this place, the dev can decide to just remove the liquidity and everybody who bought this token is going to lose their money. You get. So the only way I will buy this coin if I want to buy the coin is simply wait for the liquidity to get low. Liquidity, if you don't low liquidity, I'm not buying this particular token. Understand? So I think this is the third one. This one is also a very good one that I might consider buying. And I see the chart is looking nice. People generally interested in it. You get. So guys, I will not recommend you buy this particular token that you have seen on your screen because by the time you might get to see this video, these tokens might have gone to the peak and they might have gone down to zero. All meme coin usually go down to the top and then go down back to zero. You get. So that's the last part of meme coin. By the time you might get to see this video, this particular coin might have gone down to zero. What I want you to do is simply do what see the steps I use in looking for this particular coin, and you can use the particular steps to find your own gold coin to get for you to trade. But don't buy this particular coin because by the time you get to see this particular video, this coin might have done well. But if I want to trade any of this particular coin, I would have traded this particular one because it has much liquidity. Understand? So guys, this is basically how I look for meme coin on Dexscreener. How I find meme coin on Dexscreener. If this video was helpful, please do to like, subscribe, and turn the bell icon. I'll see my next video. Peace out.